Welcome to you all once again. This is Absolute GH. Today we are going to learn how to make beard oil, an oil which will help boost the growth of our beard. If you want to join our online classes, please contact the number on the screen and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. You can either chat me on WhatsApp or call the number direct. If you don't understand anything, just leave a comment in the comment section. I will answer you. Now let's go straight to the production of our beard oil. These are the ingredients. I'm going to use my spatula. This is my scale, which I will use to weigh my ingredients. So these are all the oils that I'm going to use for the beard oil. I'm going to use jojoba oil, avocado oil, grapeseed oil, macadamia oil, argan oil, sandalwood oil, cinnamon, lavender essential oil, and then the tea tree essential oil. I'm also going to use vitamin E. This is my castor oil. This is my extra virgin coconut oil. This is my homemade avocado oil. And this is my spray can, to sanitize my whole bottles, and then even the surface that I'm working with, I sprayed it with alcohol before I use it. When it comes to oil products, you don't have to add preservative. So when you add the vitamin E, the antioxidant, it helps preserve the beard oil for some time. So it's always important to add the vitamin E to your oily products only. Yes, if you are using only oil products, no need for preservative, but just add vitamin E. It will help preserve it for you. So now let's go straight to the production. This is sieve, to sieve some of the oils in case there's any particles in the oil. So in no particular order, I'm going to pour in all the oils into my cup and then measure. So this is my jojoba oil. I'm adding the jojoba oil now. Avocado oil. Extra virgin coconut oil. Next is my castor oil. Next is grapeseed oil. Next is argan oil. Next is macadamia oil. So far I've poured in almost all the oils. Now it's left with the essential oils. So I will stir first and then continue to add the essential oils. When you combine all the oils, stir very well to make sure they are well mixed. It's very important. The stirring is the most important part of this production. You have to stir, 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 stir to make sure they are all mixed very well. This is the vitamin E. This one is a medium thick bearded oil. You can do a thick one. That one you use more castor oil. If you want a very thin one, then you use more jojoba oil and reduce the quantity of castor oil and then the extra virgin coconut oil. I hope you understand. So you can do it thick, medium, and then light texture. So now that the oils have mixed well, I will just continue to add in my essential oils. But before I do that, I will add in my vitamin E oil first. So you just stir after adding in the vitamin E. For these essential oils to read, because they are very light. So to start with, I will add a little bit of my oils, to start reading it. So I'll add 10. Then I start adding in my other oil. So this is my cinnamon oil. This is my sandalwood oil. This is my tea tree oil. And this is my lavender essential oil. These are all the essential oils that I'm going to use for my beard oil, to give it a good smell. I'll add this small, to be feeling the smell first. We are now done with the production of the beard oil. So the perfume, you can add as much as you want, but I will advise you consult your client first. If you are doing a mass production, do with the perfumes, do the raw one without perfume, then you do the medium perfumed one, and then the high perfume type, because every client
and how they prefer the smell to be. So if it's in mass production, then you have to do at least 3 separate
So I did one
scents,
later.
smells.